My goal with this series is to help you understand that there's infinite wisdom all around us, and we can tap into that wisdom if we just relax and allow ourselves to raise our vibration.
I will focus on several things. One, I will talk about what mindfulness is in popular psychology or popular definition, but then I will also talk about mindfulness in a more traditional sense, especially from a more classical Zen perspective. And not only we're going to talk about mindfulness, we will be also doing some hands-on practice on mindfulness meditation.
You don't realize how bad you're feeling until you start to feel good. It's really being educated and learning to read the ingredients. And what do those ingredients mean? If you can't understand it, you shouldn't be eating it. So it's really, I think, about educating people so that they understand what they're eating.